इंटरनॅशनल फॅशन वीक गोय 2021 1 ते 3 सप्टेंबरा मजगती सिदादी गोवा दोना पावला जातलो। 3 दिसाच्या फॅशन शोत 50 परस चड गोयचे भारतातले तसेच आंतरराष्ट्रीय डिझायनर वांटो घेतले। तसेच 150 परस चड मॉडल हातून वांटेकार जातल्यो।
IFWचो संस्थापक आनी CEO विलियम झेवियरान पत्रकार परिशद घेवन फॅशन विकाची म्हायती दिली। गोवा येल्लो पेजीसचो MD डेस्मंड ओलिव्हेर, ओल्गा हुसेन, आशा अरुंदेकर न्यूटन डायस हजर आशिल्ले। फॅशन शो बरोबर हेर कार्यावळी जातल्यो। झेवियरान सांगले, आमी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी हांच्या बेटी बचाव बेटी पढावच्या उपक्रमाक तेंको दितात। देखून फॅशन फंड चेडवांक फॅशन जगा कडेन पावपाक तशेंच गरजवंत फॅशन विद्यार्थ्यांक आर्थीक मजत दिवपा खातीर वापरतले। झेवियरान सांगले,
This is that is 6th year of IFW Goa. This journey started from 2016 during the demonetization. Now you are going through that is pandemic. Again that is without tiring and without any discontinuing. Again we have been doing this one. IFW Goa has started to offer that two things with having that two objectives. One is it's a platforms and second is launching pad. Launching pad, this is the platform. So many that emerging designers they are launched, so many models they are launched, so many fashion entrepreneurs are launched. But platform is the platform for that all the designers who want to showcase their collection, like Gen Next designer, international designer, celebrity designers. They come and the platform and the showcase that is the world of fashion. What is the creativity they are going to launch for that is particular season. This is the platform where that is huge scope for that networking session for our that is business community. This is the platform for that is all the brands who would like to launch their brands fashionably, glamorously. This is the platform for that is meant for that. IFW Goa, it's not for that is only that is promoting that is fashion. Along with that, we have launched that is fashion funds last 2 years back, and that's the fashion funds where these fashion funds encouraging and promoting the aspiring financially weaker section of the fashion students. Time IFW Goa is happening at the Sidadi Goa from 1st to 3rd of October. We are expecting that is more than that 100 models. We are expecting that more than 50 plus designers. We are expecting all over that India, the people, the fashion lover, the fashion communities, fashion entrepreneurs, they are participating for that show. We have launched our franchisee all over India under the name of India Fashion City Tour. This India Fashion City Tour, through this initiative, we are really trying to encourage or generating that is a lot of fashion entrepreneurs in a different remote control of that is cities of India. Through these activities, we have been giving the employment that is huge numbers of people. You can say that is designers, model, cinematographer, the production team, designers, backstage people. So many people are getting engaged for these activities.
This year we have also added another feather in our cap, that is we are launching the Fashion Bazaar for the first time, where 10 different very known designers will be showcasing their collection at the IFW. This will be on all 3 days from morning 10 a.m. to evening 9 p.m. Their collection will be available. After the pandemic, people are really waiting to update their wardrobes and they're looking for good designer, affordable designs. So this collection will be showcased at this Fashion Bazaar, and this will be inaugurated on the 1st of October by Hema Sardesai at 3 p.m. at Sadar. It will be just at the same venue as the fashion show.
That we have for the week 3 days to go. We have 50 goal, national and international designers, 150 models, brand promotion, launching and activation, competition round for fashion funds, curtain raisers and showroom visits. Buyers, manufacturers and designers meet, B2B and B2C, networking session, Fashion Bazaar, exhibitions and pop-up stores, auction sales, workshops, fashion talk, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao and after party.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान समीप नार्वेकारा बरोबर व्हिडिओ पत्रकार श्याम चारी।